Hi, this is Tareq Habib. Today I will show you how to call a JavaScript function from a ASP.NET tag or show a message box, alert. So please go to ASP.NET 2015, or you can also do it in ASP.NET 2017 or 19 also. Just go to File, New and Website. We will make an app in web mode. Yeah, just click the Visual C# ASP.NET empty website, and now you just name it DS alert. Just waiting. See, a project is created named VS Alert, and this is web.config file, and this is web.debug.config file. These are created automatically. Just leave it like this now, and what we'll do, we'll make a new file. Go to click here, then right mouse click, then go to add, then go to add new, and from here we will click web form, and we will name it anything. I'll just leave it like this and click to add button. Waiting. This is default.aspx file just created, and what we will do, we will take I already wrote the code here, and just take this code, copy from here, and just paste it to here inside the div. Yeah, this is text box tag in ASP.NET, and this is the ID text1, and this is a button tag, and that is btl1, and this is on client click event. When you click this button, then it will call message function, and msg function is written in JavaScript. Yeah, I tell you something, that is on client click. When you want to call a JavaScript function, then you should write on client click. But if you want to call a C# function, then you can write on click function. Please mind it, on click event. Sorry, tell you again. This is on client click event. When you want to call a JavaScript function, then you use this event, and when you want to call a C# function, then you use on click event. Yeah, just delete it, and I just copy it from here. This is a JavaScript code, and I will explain it. Just click title, press enter, and just paste it. Okay, now see, this is script tag in ASP.NET, just in using HTML. Yeah, and inside this script, don't forget to write this. Yeah, type text JavaScript. Okay, and inside this script, I write a function named msg, message. Yeah? And you should write function at first. This is a keyword, then write the function name, then to bracket, and then opening tag and closing bracket. Yeah, okay. I declared a variable named message by this var message is equal to document. This is keyword also. We used in JavaScript. Document get element by ID. See, this text box ID is txt1. I just call it here. Yeah, txt1. I mean, whenever you click this button and whatever you like in whatever you write in this text box, and when you click this button, it will show this text on the as a like model or like message box. Yeah, and alert is a JavaScript function which show the message box, and whatever you write inside the bracket will show as a message. Now I'm showing you this. Just click to run this program. Just waiting. Just waiting. Okay, now it's gone. Just right here. Hello JavaScript, and just click on the show button. See, it is displayed as a message box. Hello JavaScript. Yeah? Whatever you write here, just showing in the message box. So I will give you this code below the video. You will find the link of this code below the video. Yeah? Thank you very much. Thank you.